Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not showing battery status. Check and restore power display. So guys, to fix the Birdfy app not showing the battery status, first of all guys, check and verify the camera connection. So guys, the app only display the battery percentage if the camera is online and connected to your Wi-Fi. A red status indicator on your device list mean the camera is offline. So if the camera is asleep, so it may be communicate with the server. So you open the live feed view first to wake up the devices. Okay. Second thing is guys, you force restart the app and the camera. So guys, force close the Birdfy app entirely, then reopen it. Use an ejector pin or the paper clips to press the reboot hole on your camera for 1 second, then press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn it on back. Then guys, check for the sleep mode restriction. So guys, if the sleep mode is turned on in your device settings, so some feature and the status updates are disabled, so you simply go to your device settings, more settings and sleep mode and ensure it is toggled off. Another thing is guys, you check for the sleep mode and the restriction. If the battery is completely dead, so it can take 10 to 15 minutes of charging before it's turning back and update in the app. So plug the camera into the outlet using the different charging block and cable to rule out the faulty hardware. So guys, thank you.